Okay, we're down to the final push. Okay, I was having problems with some of my cuts I was getting on my table saw. And for some of you that's been with me from the beginning, you know what a hard time I had making that sled because of those grooves that the miter, I'm just at a loss for words today. Anyway, the miter lines where the sled fits had some little wide places in it. It'd be narrow, then it'd go wide, and I like to never got that sled on. Anyway, I was having trouble being off on a lot of my cuts, so I said, what in the heck? So checked my blade, everything was plumb there, all over. And when I got to the back part of my crosscut sled, it just was off. I mean, like probably by 3/8 of an inch. So I took that rascal off and I used my brand new wind thickness planer that I got in that I'm enjoying thoroughly. I've had so much pallet wood piled up in here, and now I can actually get around and move. So it works great too. Okay, so I got me a new board to put on the back of that piece of wood for the back. And I thought I would make something decorative to put in the middle as a safety thing. But now that I've got the thing made, I don't know if I want to put it on here or not. But here's what it is. I have to get my hot gun out, but it's the state of Texas. Man, oh man, this was something else to do on that scroll machine, I'll tell you. It just, all these little bitty notches over here, and I cut off part of Galveston Island. I'm sorry about that, but anyway, it wasn't quite tall enough to go as far as what the top is, but I think it came out fairly well. So, tell me what I did wrong. I didn't have my mask on. I have one of those RZ masks that are awesome. So anyway, comment below. Tell me what I did wrong. If it's the first time to my channel, if you'd like to see somebody messing up and not knowing what they're doing sometimes, feel free to hit that subscribe button, because I'm pretty well known for that. But anyway, there's my little Texas. So y'all have a great Sunday. Happy Easter to everybody, and thank y'all for watching, and come back again. Thank y'all. Bye bye.